This video is going to be something completely different. Clearly, I still got this little lump. It went down though. It went down 3 more days into surgery. So I just want to welcome all of my subscribers back. If you are new, I go by the name of Cassandra Liz. Welcome to my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Usually I'm doing a makeup tutorial or I'm vlogging. And today I was just like, let's switch it up. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how I like to style my plaid shirts that I found in my wife's closet. So if you guys do not have a plaid shirt or button up, just go on your wife or your boyfriend or your girlfriend or your husband or your grandma. Just go in their closet. I'm sure they got one. Shout out to American Eagle because these are like the most comfiest shirts ever. But in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I like to wear them differently, because usually it's just an oversized shirt and it's baggy and yeah, blah, right? So keep on watching and yeah, let's get into it. So usually it's just an oversized big baggy shirt and we're just like, just trying to bum it. This is pretty casual. But what I like to do is I will just pull up the sleeves and then I just button 1, 2, 3 buttons, and then you just have like this part right here. And I like to pull it up. And there you go. You have like a cute basic look. Yeehaw! So look number 2, I like to throw it off the shoulders. I am wearing a bra. Let's keep this PG rated. Oh, don't be immature. So what I like to do is just button one button, which is where I usually would button it. Tuck this in and put it off of the shoulders. And this will go up and then round like so. Just tuck in the back of it and voila. Oh, there we go. And that is look number 2. Okay, so for look number 3, you're just gonna put one sleeve on and let the other one just hang like under the pit, obviously. And you just take this side and you grab this side of the shirt. Of course you're gonna want to put it up, but you grab this side of the shirt and you tie it up, getting it really tight. And voila, it's off the shoulder. It's something different. You can roll the sleeve up if need be. I just like the illusion of it just looking like an off the shoulder shirt. It's just super cute, especially with some high-waisted jeans. You good to go, girl. Yes. And this is definitely flattering for big-breasted women, you know. I understand. I know. So this look is obviously off the shoulder completely, no sleeves on. This is probably buttoned up at like the 4th button because, you know what I mean, like I can't help it. So you're just gonna grab the sleeves here and you're just gonna tie it up like so. And there you go. You got you a off the shoulder plaid shirt, girl. And of course you gotta show a little cleavage, because if you got it, flaunt it. So yes, ladies, those were a few simple ways to style your oversized plaid shirts. Yeah, this was really fun, and yeah, who would have thought those different looks using one simple plaid shirt. Bravo, bravo, bravo. That was a few do-it-yourself plaid shirt looks. I hope you guys were digging this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys were loving it. Comment down below which was your favorite look, and let me know if you guys would like to see more of these do-it-yourself videos. So I'm ready. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Typically, it's just a big baggy shirt, right? Well, no, we can switch it up. So what I like to do is just roll up the sleeves a little bit or pull them up. And then just button it just like so. Un momento.